When we took this project on to construct a fiber line from Dawson City, Yukon, take it all the way to the Arctic Ocean in Tuk-to-Inuvik, Northwest Territories, people thought it was impossible. They felt there's no way you could deploy a piece of linear infrastructure like this and have it guarded from the elements, as well as do it in a way that doesn't impact the extremely sensitive ecological regions across the span of this fiber line. The tremendous achievement that completing this project represents, deploying a complex piece of infrastructure from the mountains of Dawson City all the way to the Arctic Ocean in Tuk-to-Inuvik. It's just an incredible feat. It's incredible for what that infrastructure will do for the residents along the line and really across the north. It's a testament to the engineering that went into that project to be able to make this happen through the various degrees of permafrost and rock and swampland and historical sensitive sites. We were able to get this project done and adhere to some of the most stringent environmental and cultural standards that have ever been imposed on a project of this kind.
To have a successful project, you really need good teamwork and collaboration between the different groups, and we had to have that. It's not just a straight plow or a straight drill. It's understanding the land, the terrain that we've got here, and the challenge that each part has. So when you have good collaboration between your drill groups and between our plows, and we had 3 different types of plows up here, all low ground pressure machines, you need to work in sync to make sure that you're doing a good job and maintaining minimal impact to the environment and doing it in a safe way.
We all learned how to work in remote areas. Being this far north came with a new set of challenges, so future projects will definitely take lessons learned from DFL and carry it forward.
I would describe the sense of community very well. We're a tight-knit crew. We work very well together. I'm fairly new to the project and they're very welcoming, comforting. There's laughs all throughout the day. We got the job done and work well together.
I think it'd be very beneficial because building a fiber line right to Tuk, I mean, there's got to be, who knows what's going to happen next. Maybe they'll go farther, beyond other communities, maybe other countries. But I think it's very beneficial and I'm glad it's happening this day and age here.
I think the potential benefits for the ITFL project long-term are significant. Now that we've got a road from Inuvik to Tuk and we've got this fiber line going down there, the potential to help businesses and organizations and individuals along the way is huge. I think for Tuk-to-Inuvik in particular, this opens doors that maybe were closed before. So we'll just see where that leads. Nobody knows for sure, but at least the infrastructure is there to provide that opportunity.
From the teamwork perspective, being in this business obviously a long time, it's not always revolutionary new field technologies or innovations in AI or whatever, or agile methodologies. In this case, the one key success enabler above all those would be sheer grit and tenacity.
I have no doubt that when you see the results of this project and the finished product that we're able to produce, that similar projects that are starting all throughout Alaska and Northern Canada are going to be deployed utilizing the same approach, because it is now the tried and tested best way to deploy infrastructure and keep it guarded from the elements without damaging the sensitive ecological terrain that it transits through.